As you can imagine, I get asked a lot of questions on trading, specifically for this video. How long does it take to become a great trader? How much will it cost me? What is the skill set that I require to become a great trader? Lots and lots of questions like that. But actually, the reality is these great traders, they haven't come up with some mystical new system. What they're doing is they're doing several or more than several things differently to the average trader. And these are what I'm going to look at in the video. So let's get into them. The first thing great traders do differently is they stop chasing random strategies. Average traders spend years jumping from one method to another, never staying with one long enough to test it properly, execute it consistently or improve it. Great traders choose something they can actually study, measure and refine. The second thing they do is pick a lane and go deeper. They stop trying to be everything at once. Instead of learning futures, options, automation, forex, crypto and swing trading all at the same time, they narrow down and build real depth in the area that suits them best. The third thing great traders do differently is obsess over risk, not just entries. Most weak traders are fixated on finding the perfect setup while ignoring position sizing, drawdown, correlation and risk of ruin. Great traders understand that risk management is what keeps them alive long enough for skill to matter. Fourth, they build rules and structure. They do not trade from vague feelings. They define setups, conditions, risk and exits so performance can actually be reviewed and improved. Fifth, they become more selective. Most traders do too much. Too many trades, too many markets, too many mediocre opportunities. Great traders understand that a large part of the edge is often removing weak trades and not adding more. Sixth, they work relentlessly on discipline and execution. A lot of traders think they have a strategy problem when really they have an execution problem. They enter late, skip valid trades, move stops, take profits too early, or revenge trade after losses. Great traders understand that execution is a skill that must be trained. And seventh, great traders build under the right framework. They do not try to piece together a serious trading career from random content and scattered opinions. They improve faster when they build inside a stronger structure with better standards, clearer direction and more accountability. And that is exactly why I built the Elite Trading Training Program for 2026. Because those 7 things are really describing a process of becoming more structured, more selective, more disciplined, and more serious as a trader. And the ETTP 2026 is a 3-month, fully online, globally available trader development program built around 3 lanes: futures trading, options trading, and automated trading. It's for traders who want a clearer path, a stronger framework, and a better chance of actually building something that lasts. And for the rest of April, there are more accessible ways to secure a place. You can currently secure your ETTP 2026 place from just £1,500 with a current payment structure in place through the end of the month. So if you're serious about getting better, check the details below. Many factors go into making up the very best traders: selectivity, strong framework, consistency, repetition, to name but a few. And if you want some of that, if you want to raise your trading game to the next level, then like I mentioned, the Elite Trader Training Program is waiting for you there. It's never going to be at a better price, never a better time to jump on board. So much you get on top of this 3-month program. Definitely worth checking out the details. Check out my website www.thestopHunter.co.uk or email me at info@thestopHunter.co.uk to find out more. So if you've liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification and bell buttons. Plenty more content coming your way as usual. So love to see you on that ETTP 2026 program, and also love to see you in the next video. So thanks for watching.